this. It's gonna be bad. It was inside the pipe.
The blue rope is a leash for my dog.
Getting down to the base of this pipe, the whole top of the pipe just collapsed. We still have to go a lot farther back. This right here is literally poop. That came all the way to ground level. God knows what's under there, so might have to rethink this. What is it? What the? No. Would you see that, bro?
You saw that? Did you get that on film?
It's gonna be bad. Here's one sinkhole. As you can see, look at the slab going that way. There's literally a whole entire gap right there. Think of another way to get this pipe replaced, because the way it's going right now, this is just not safe and not going to be the right way to do it. There's a massive hole in this pipe. What is that? In the world? The dog leash? So this pipe pretty much came off without us even touching it. No. Oh. No. Oh no, you did not, dude. The mouse. All right. Go for it. Put it. So only way to fix this pipe here is if we run our picote through this pipe. We can descale the line, removing all the rest of the rust going that way, and then we got to shoot a sleeve through it.
I'm 20 minutes away, dude.
Did you ever know about this white rope? The blue rope was inside the pipe.
The blue, what?
It was inside the pipe.
The blue rope is a leash for my dog.
That pipe's so deteriorated that if I even torque
it doesn't matter what you do.
It's gonna collapse. So prep it up so we can shoot a sleeve inside the pipe, and it seals off any cracks or breaks. So we're gonna have a brand new pipe from here all the way up into the combi, one sealed pipe. There's gonna be no joints and no possibilities for roots to grow.
Okay.
From this point right here, I can build going that way. I can't even connect onto that pipe if I want to. Now this pipe going this way, the reason why I'm even bringing it up is because there's more shifts. I can dig a 7-foot hole, get to the bottom of the pipe. We have one hole accessible and we have 2 holes accessible. We feed a steel braided cable throughout, and we're able to pull a seamless.
Can I throw something else in? Can you throw a valve in, a shower valve in there?
We don't care, bro. We're here to help you. Just to throw it on top too, we can buy the part for you too. We're not cutting corners.
Do it.
It's gonna be a lot more in the future.
Do it. Let's go.
Rat's coming out.
Did you catch him?
We didn't.
No, he's still right there.
Is it
Focus
back?
now.
Where is that?
Oh, shit.
Where?
I'm telling you, he's inside. He's in the Oh, speed.
Our initial plan was to go ahead and cut the pipe. It was a mess. Change of plans. So in this porthole right here, where we're gonna be digging up is the 4x6 transition, that cast iron drain line. There's no way for me to tunnel it. First and foremost, it's not even safe to tunnel it. It's shooting a sleeve through it up into the cast iron pipe underneath the home. We connect to our new polyethylene pipe that's gonna be pulled through here. Got a bit of a day to us, but I mean, should be an easy day. As you can see, there's a bit of water right here. That joint where that 4x6 was, it was completely shifted about almost 2 inches. So there's a big gap in between where all that water has just been seeping down and seeping down. Good thing we got to this bad joint. The rest of the line looks nice and clean. So just gotta get this Piperson, slide her in, get it all squared away. was not a plumber. Use the truck one. Alrighty, so we already bursted the new polyethylene pipe all the way from point A to point B. Got everything nice and clean, nice and seamless. We're gonna go ahead and finish descaling this line. That way we can go ahead and shoot that line upstream. Should be looking good, man. Silky smooth, flows down super nice. It just beads off, you see? So now, at this pipe, go all the way up. That's the joint right there where we connect the going real quick. This is the joint stop where we connected the plastic to the cast iron. So, got sealed, everything came out good, pull it all the way out. Everything's solid as a rock. So we got everything nice and sealed up in there. As you can see on the ABS pipe, this thing's not going anywhere anymore. So even though it is just a solid ABS pipe that's just floating right there, when that liner went in, it went ahead and cured that transition. So right now we're gonna go ahead and connect everything in. All it really takes is a couple seconds. Once I snap my fingers, we'll be all done here. We went ahead and got both holes backfilled. Didn't do the concrete today. We'd rather come back tomorrow morning when it's nice and bright and make sure we clean up the whole entire yard as if we're never here. Put the concrete back nice and clean and get the hell out of here. See you tomorrow. So there's the finishing touches right there. We always pay attention to detail over here. If we don't pay attention to detail, overstep everyone else, the next guy's just gonna do it better than us. So we went ahead and got this porthole filled in. We got the grass all nicely put in as best as we could, because of course we had to account for that sinkhole and that cesspool that was occurring underneath the patio. Put a two-way clean out that's accessible for downstream and upstream for any future use. That's why we always make sure we step that extra mile to make sure that we're not just here to fix it for today, but it's a lifetime. That being said, we did get the porthole over there backfilled, compacted thoroughly. Everything came out nice. I mean, you probably can't even tell that the porthole was there. From here in the concrete patch, went ahead and we squared everything off. Here in this situation, there was a big crack in the middle of the concrete. We went ahead and leveled it as best as we could throughout the whole thing. We put a nice little brush finish for the customer. Other than that, we're all squared away. Another job in the books. Chris back at it again.